Hi everyone, welcome back to Soulmate Adventures. Today we are sharing a tour of the beautiful Westin Tokyo hotel where we stayed one night last weekend. We are in a premium double bedroom on the 15th floor with views toward Tokyo Tower. The beds are Westin's signature heavenly beds and we're super comfy. Over here we have the minibar. On top we have an espresso machine, kettle, some coffee pods and teas. They've also provided 2 complimentary bottles of water. Inside the cabinet below, we have a mini fridge with a variety of sodas and beers, but all come at an additional charge. In the drawer here, we have a price list and some snacks and liquor. We have this small bench here with a drawer that contains pajamas. I love that they've even provided kids' pajamas for our daughter, and they're even the perfect size for her. Okay, let's go check out the view. There's a nice table here by the window with 2 comfy chairs. I love this wide open view that we have over the city and the park. Off in the distance over there, we can even see Tokyo Tower. Next to the bed here, we have a variety of outlets. I love that they have a universal outlet, a Japanese outlet, and both USB-C and USB outlets. In the middle of the 2 beds, we have the light controls, a phone, alarm clock, and some brochures. And finally, over on this side, we have some more electrical outlets and a room service breakfast menu. So let's head back to the hallway where we have a fairly large closet. Inside, they've provided a robe and some slippers. There's an ironing board, iron, shoe horn, and shoe brush. We have a safe inside the drawer here. Now for the bathroom. We were impressed by how spacious it was. They've provided a box full of amenities on the counter here. Inside we have toothbrushes, even a kid's toothbrush for a daughter, hairbrush, hair ties, nail file, shower caps, shaving kits, and more. There's also a nice hairdryer, and below the counter is this cool-looking weigh scale. There's a separate tub here on the left side of the bathroom, and the shower is on the opposite side. Inside the shower, we have Westin's signature white tea toiletries. And of course, being in Japan, we have a nice bidet toilet. One of the things we love about this hotel is that there is a Westin Club lounge which is open to Platinum Elite members and above. They offer a complimentary afternoon tea between 2 to 4 p.m., so we're headed up to the 22nd floor to go check it out. We were impressed with the wide offering. The homemade cakes and other treats were very good quality and absolutely delicious. We highly recommend you don't miss this afternoon tea. The entire lounge is beautiful, as are the panoramic views over the city. After an afternoon and evening of exploring, we headed back to the hotel from Abisu Station. It's about a 10-minute walk, taking you through the lovely Abisu Garden Place shopping center. They've decorated it so nicely for the holidays, and there were tons of people out taking pictures. As we entered the hotel, our daughter couldn't help but stop to admire the gorgeous Christmas tree in the lobby. It was very popular with all the kids, and it even had a train and gondola running around it. Back in our room, we got into our Westin pajamas, which our daughter absolutely adored. Are they comfy, Tahani?
They're super cozy.
Ah, how's the bed?
Even more cozy than my pajamas. I love them with hotel.
Nice. In the morning, we awoke to beautiful sunshine pouring into the room, so I made a cup of coffee and sat by the window to admire the views once more. At around 8 a.m., we headed down to the Terrace restaurant for their amazing buffet breakfast. I was surprised by just how good and extensive this buffet was. It was actually comparable to some of the St. Regis breakfasts we've had around the world. There were so many options, it was hard to choose. You got the donut? They got natto over there. Can I get a French toast? Yes. Sure.
Okay.
Thank you. They have mango smoothie.
No.
Oh, ooh. Nice. I knew you would like that.
Yeah.
Another breakfast, another bowl of natto. Well, I hope you enjoyed this hotel tour. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It would mean so much to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.